Are you tired of relying on a single source of income? Join us for an incredible, inspiring story of Alex, a man who discovered the true importance of multiple income streams after losing his job. Meet Alex, a hardworking man who always relied on his stable job to support himself and his family. He had devoted years to his career, believing that a single source of income was enough to meet his financial needs. But little did he know that his world was about to be turned upside down. One day, Alex received the devastating news that his company was downsizing and he was being laid off. Shock and disbelief washed over him as he realized that he had no longer a job to rely on. Panic set in as he struggled to comprehend how he would provide for his family. With bills piling up and limited savings, Alex quickly realized that he needed to take immediate action to make ends meet. He began searching for new job opportunities. But the job market was fiercely competitive and the offers he received did not match his previous salary. Feeling the weight of responsibility, Alex decided to explore other avenues to generate income. He dwelt into research, seeking out ways to diversify his sources of income. It was then that he discovered the importance of multiple income streams. Alex started by leveraging his skills and expertise. He offered freelance services in his field and found clients who were willing to pay for his knowledge and experience. The extra income provided some relief, but he knew he needed more to ensure stability for his family. Driven by determination, Alex tapped into his creativity and entrepreneurial spirit. He brainstormed ideas for a side business that aligned with his passions and skills. After careful consideration, he launched an online store selling handmade crafts that he always enjoyed creating. As time went on, Alex witnessed the power of multiple income streams. His freelance work and online store began to generate a steady flow of additional income. While it required extra effort and time management, the rewards were worth it. Not only did the multiple income streams help Alex meet his financial obligations, but they also instilled in him a sense of empowerment and freedom. He no longer felt constrained by the whims of a single employer or the fear of losing his sole source of income. Moreover, Alex discovered unexpected benefits along the way. The side business allowed him to connect with like-minded individuals and build a supportive community. It opened doors to new opportunities and expanded his horizons beyond what he had ever imagined. Through the challenges and setbacks, Alex grew personally and professionally. He realized that relying on a single source of income was a risky proposition. The experience taught him the value of resilience, adaptability, and embracing change. With time, Alex not only recovered financially but thrived. His multiple sources of income provided him with stability and the ability to pursue his passions. He became an advocate for financial independence and encouraged others to explore diverse avenues to secure their financial future. In the end, Alex's journey serves as a powerful reminder that the importance of multiple sources of income cannot be underestimated. It taught him to never place all his eggs in one basket and to constantly seek opportunities for growth and financial security. This brings us to the end of this story. Thanks for watching till here. Hit on the like if you have really enjoyed the story and learned some valuable lessons from it. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel hitting the bell icon for more such insightful videos on personal growth and financial education.